Yes. Yes, nice. And what will Adhira put? Night suit. Yes. And repellent. And comb. Comb. Cream. What is it? Adhira, what is this? Cream. And your underwear.
Very good.
And sunscreen. What is it? Yeah. Hat. Huh? What is it? Hat. Yes. Good girl. And mask. Yes. And Adhira will put her clothes. Clothes. And sanitizer. Nice. Good job. And more clothes. Fold kar do. Fold it. We'll fold it. No. Don't have to fold that. Yes. And lollipop. And this. Yes. Oh. Good girl. Adhira wants to take bunny. Put the bunny. Right. And what are these, Adhira? What are these? What are these? Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Oh. Nice. Put the sunglasses. Oi. Nice.